I Can Sing It Better is proudly brought to you by Zonse Lotto. Everything is possible. Zonse Zodiak. Powered by Hi-Fi Electronics, your home for audio and visual equipment, and Salima Sugar, the sweet pride of Malawi, by Malawi for Malawi.
I can sing it better.
What's your name?
I am Sheila Mwanza.
Yeah, Sheila, what do you have for us?
Today I'm going to sing Ntendele by Patience Namadingo.
Ntendele. Yeah. Sure. Whenever you're ready, you can start.
Kodi nyumba injayani, mwini wake ndani, amafuna chani, ndimafuna ndidziwe. Nyumba injayani, mwini wake ndani, amafuna chani, ndimafuna ndidziwe. Ulendo wanga oyambilila kulowa nyumbai, ninangoziwa ndili mnyumba ya Mulungu. Ndidazindikila kodi Dalitso chuma, sindinaliodabwa ninaziwa ncha Mulungu. Kodi wina ndani, kodi anga imbe nyimbo oposa nyumba yake ya Mulungu. Kodi wina ndani, kodi anga mange nyumba yomwe ine ndingapeze wanga ntendele. Muno ndimapeza ntendele, ndimapeza ntendele, ndimapeza ne chimwe. Oh, ndimapeza ntendele, ndimapeza ntendele, ndimapeza ne chimwemwe. Mwandikumbutsa kalelo panali afumu a Davide, ndipo ananena mawu achilimbikiso. Atasangalala ananena nawo tiyeni munyumba ya Tate, yeah. Ineso chimodzimodzi, mzimu wanga wasangalala.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I think itaonabe kwambiri.
Thank you.
Yeah. Mangofuna kuti Sheila mwina ukamaza panga solendo wina uzango yanga na magawo ngati kuakiyo umene umayimba muja mthainake makhanga kuti ikusunta ki ndeti chuni chimene uliet kuti ukhanga tiwayambira pa chuni ichi koma mkatikati wapita pa chuni china. Komanso mwina ulendo wina uzayang'ane kaimidwe kako kapa stage, mene ukupangira ma movements, mene wagwirira mic apo khanga tiwayimata kwambiri mwina ukuli nervous choncho utakwigwira ulo ndi mkono umodzi, mkono wina uzi umwaza kumapa ngati ma gesture apa ndi apa. Komanso uza mwina ndi contact eti nasipena ukhanga tikutsinzina apena kuyang'ana mu ceiling koma utabe kumamwaza maso uyang'ana ife uyang'ana khanga tikuyang'ana uko zimeje zimathandiza. Nde mwina tikamaza panga program ina ukakonza timeneto tikhoza zakupasa yes koma ine apapa ndeti ndayika no chifukwa choti ndimafuna kuti ukapange kai tiwiri titatu itoto.
I'm gonna give you a no.
Sheila.
Yes.
Do you smile?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Yeah, when you're singing the song, ndimapeza ntendele, ndimapeza chimwewe, right? I couldn't see that. So it's another no from me.
Hi. All right. Something close in the malume. All right, can you just tell us good in Karimo Zainda Bwanji?
To God, it was nice, but the only problem was it was my key. That's why they said no. But otherwise everything was good. Yeah.
Okay, ndete mbekesele chani nochoka kwa iwe. Akuza maujeni ma timavuto tiwiri titatu. Apa next season muzabweranso kapena
Next season I'll come again. If that is, there will be another chance, yeah.
All right.
But I had a great time when I tried to participate, yeah.
All right. I like the energy. Next time, Tikazayamba, also please do come because, we know you're going to be better then.
Yeah.
And all the best.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I can sing it better.
Zabwina.
Zabobo.
Zutega.
Zutega.
It's the smile for me.
Thank you.
All right. Can we know your name and where you're coming from?
Okay, my name is Ivy Chidzanja, coming from Area 47 Sector 3.
Do you think mtati mwawina audition imene itauka kuti yapusha music career yanu kapena nkhani ndalama basi?
Musically yanga ikoza kuti ili pena pake yasuntha kwambiriso.
Yeah?
Because I love singing.
You love singing.
Very.
And you would do anything for it.
Anything for music.
Okay.
Sure.
So what song are you singing?
Hana by Lulu.
Hana.
Yes.
By Lulu.
Yes.
Okay. I think my friends can't wait to hear it as well. So the floor is yours, dear. Please sing from your heart. All the best.
Thank you. Hana mama usalile. Hana mama pupura msozi kungade kudzaela leka kulila hana mama inde mama mwachulido maina ari MG1 ati penandika pe leka kulila pupura misonzi hana mama ndakuona kukankha njinga ya makhala wekha kuti anaye abambo wawo likumowa hana mama tontola chimwemwe chidza mamawa adona mugwile mtima mkwiyo wake ndiwo chepa kuposa chisomo chake hana mama tontola ine ndine mulungu wako sinzaleka uvutike ine ndine mulungu sinzalola usauke ndiza kufungarila ine ndine mulungu wako sinzaleka uvutike ine ndine mulungu sinzaleka usauke ndiza kufungarila. I'm done.
So without wasting much of the time, it's a yes. It's a double, triple yes for me.
Thank you.
I think I love your vibe. I love your presentation.
Thank you.
I mean, and she was looking at me. She was looking at him. She was looking at... I say usalile. You were literally telling me that. So thank you so much because of how you've done it.
Thank
I
you.
love how you've presented everything. Yes.
Okay, Ivy.
So,
When you said you can do anything for music, I was like,
Yes.
okay, I have to hear what she has. And I'm sure if Lulu can hear this, wow. Because I mean, this is I can sing it better.
yeah.
I'm being tempted to say you've done it better than maybe the way Lulu did it.
Thank you. Thokoza.
Bro. Okay, I think even the audience will judge, but it's a yes from me.
Thank you.
So it's 3 yeses.
Thank
We
you.
would like to see you in the next phase.
Thokoza.
Thank you so much.
Cool.
And I think we're gonna give you a gourd,
Wow.
which means excellence. Excellence. So you're gonna come. I think one thing I would say, I love the part where you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, appreciate.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And I love the tone. I mean, you could feel it.
The texture of the voice. The texture of the voice, yeah.
He's singing for
Makes you me the message in Vega.
Hana yetu nali niru.
Very. All right, so having a golden rabbit, I know good in kari muzaenda bwino kwambiri.
Hey, kwambiri.
Kwambiri.
Yes,
Kwambiri.
yes. Ndiro kweniko yankhula.
Tembekezere chanu choka kwa iwe henceforth.
No. I don't know kuti ndikhoza kukhulula bwanji komano I love singing. It's just not I can do anything for music.
Wow.
So that's why I showed up. Ndababa waiting for the second verse. But then I'm ready. As in ready, literally ready for everything.
All right, all the best as the journey continues.
Thank you.
I can sing it better. I can sing it better.
What is your name?
My name is Kelvin Chimombo.
Ndaona wabelekera kachikwawo. Mwatibwetsera zotani? Nyimbo ya Jiminy.
Sam Smith, Too Good at Goodbyes.
Oh my God. Yeah. I can't wait to hear this. You're ready, right?
Ready.
All right, all the best.
Sure. You must think that I'm stupid. You must think that I'm a fool. You must think that I'm new to this. But I have seen this all before. I'm never gonna let you close to me, even though you mean the most to me. 'Cause every time I open up it hurts. So I'm never gonna get too close to you, even though I mean the most to you, in case you go and leave me in the dirt. But every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. And every time you leave me, the quicker this tears dry. And every time you walk out, the less I love you. Baby, we don't stand a chance. It's sad, but it's true. I'm way too good at goodbyes. Yeah, I'm way too good at goodbyes. I know you're thinking I'm heartless. I know you're thinking I'm cold. I'm just protecting my innocence. I'm just protecting my soul. So I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when you mean the most to me. 'Cause every time I open up it hurts. So I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when I mean the most to you, in case you go and leave me in the dirt. 'Cause every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. And every time you leave me, the quicker this tears dry. And every time you walk out, the less I love you. Baby, we don't stand a chance. It's sad, but it's true. I'm way too good at goodbyes. Thank you.
Why don't you want to start? All right. Hi.
Hello.
What are you carrying in your bag?
I have my big phone in it. My big phone.
Your big phone.
Yeah.
I thought you're carrying a charm to help you sing.
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Okay, mulijikamba china chake.
Yeah, indeed.
Chikuthandizira kuimba.
Phone chachikulu basi.
Nice. Nice one. Okay. It's a no from me. I'll go straight to the point. Yeah.
For now, I'll just give you a no because the ending, you lost me at the very end. Thank you.
Of course, I'm going to give you a no. Yeah, Komabe out there. please create a room for yourself and keep trying, keep doing it. Find yourself into the right beach you're supposed to be in and concentrate.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love your smile.
Enjoy vibe.
Thank you.
I thought that was a musical
Like a
instrument.
nemba.
Yeah, like maybe when
Oh,
you
I
got
should have
gets
brought
to the
mine.
stage and then
Feel like a stand-up
you take it
comedy,
out.
right?
Look, you play mbira. I thought there was a mbira in there.
Guys, you were laughing.
Bro,
I think
I
it
couldn't.
distracted him.
Okay, you know. Okay, the way he was.
You
His
guys couldn't
gestures.
control it.
I mean, his gestures, man. I'm like.
You got distracted.
I tried
Maybe,
to control myself.
yeah, try to control it. I mean, you put a fake smile and you're like, you know.
Okay.
But I think he got emotional. He was like, are they laughing at how I'm doing it, or maybe it's something else? I think
No,
that.
but I get.
It could
but I
contribute.
get-
Okay, sera ngurudzo recording kati muzaenda bwanji.
Sizinaende bwinobwino
Sizinaende.
kwene.
Akuti mavuru anali chani?
Kuti nayamba bwinobwino komano ndinakwera kwambiri kuti ndakanika kuipitiriza nyimbo bwinobwino. Yeah.
Okay, ndiye tiyembekezere chani inochoka kwa iwe. Kukamabwera can sing it better uzabweraso kapena
Ndizabweraso kuti ndizapange focus ma downfalls zanga kuti ndizakonze bwino.
I can sing it better.
Hi.
Hi.
You okay?
Yes.
All right. What's your name?
My name is Dalitso Chapinda.
Do you think
Yeah.
you can sing it better?
Yeah.
Can you even
Yes. Yeah.
So what have you brought for us? You singing a song?
Mm.
Nyimbo ya nje.
Ramadan.
Ramadan.
Yeah.
That's the title of the song.
Yeah. Naimba Sundika.
Oh, your
Yeah.
own composition.
Yeah.
Okay. The floor is yours. All the best.
Okay.
Yes.
Eti ndukuza usaza sintima wanga kuzandi player ziganda zaiweyo ndineyo ntamakamba asiye zawe zwazikamba ifeyo tilije problemu na banda kankoyu hani nindinkaka pambuyo pako ndili nawe nganganga kukupatsa lovu ya pamwamba ndimakusalila kuja geo Ramadan ndimaupa wina kuzalanda zungulila tikumane ukuramba oh my lady drive me crazy like imaganja ndimakusalila kuja geo Ramadan ndimaupa wina kuzalanda zungulila tikumane ukuramba oh my lady drive me crazy like imaganja. Yeah.
That's the song?
Yes.
That's the song.
Yes.
Eh? Okay. Chabwino, I'm going to give you a no because we're looking for the theme you're denial. I think we're not
Yeah.
there yet. It's the I can sing it better.
Yeah.
Sing.
I can
Yeah?
sing.
Sing.
Sing, yeah.
Sing.
Yeah.
Igumustalira muntu Ramadan. But I enjoyed the flow, but
Sure.
I think it's not meeting the needs we're looking for
Yeah.
now.
Okay.
But it's a no for me.
It's an all from me as well.
Yeah.
That it's so if you titati ukanati uzipatse weka malikisi between pakati pa 1 kufika 5 ukanazika pati mene wapangira
Uchoka pa 1 ufika pa 5. Nakazika pa 3.
chifukwa chani osati 5
Fuka bena bagi.
pali mano atatu ndiye kuti singati sikupitiriza to the next round it.
Okay.
Yeah, zikomo kwambiri Dalitso.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Zabo.
Zabwinobwino.
Tangoruza kuti kodi nkati muzaenda bwanji.
Ngati zinali zabwinobwino ndithu. Taisitsabe kumenyawo ziwiri zitatobe. Ndero funika bizoti mwina tiziwokerebe kuti mwina mwake next time zapange yani tizapezeke nawo mgulu la anthu opambana.
Okay. Ndemwina majudges anati zinavuta pati.
Majudges sana nene kwambiri ngati kuvutitsitsa kwambiri. Mwabe angotipatsa chilimbikitso kuti ofunika ka training kwambiri.
I can can sing it better. I can sing it better.
Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine too. May I know your name?
My name is Kelvin Phiri, but in music I'm known as Piano. Oh,
So Kelvin Phiri,
yes,
what do you have for us?
I have a song.
Okay. Title?
Title is Anyway.
Anyway, was it composed by you or it's a song that was done by somebody else?
No, it's mine.
Your own song.
Yeah,
Kelvin, feel free to sing for us.
okay, fine.
Sure.
Yena mwa real friends. Samamva bwino akationa taja sweet. Pota mafuna tipembetse more straight. And pon your plan then feel breaking a table. I'ma feel up work until it down feed this skill, yeah. Never tell them your plans, never tell them your dreams. No, no, cause none for them not real friends. Father me beg, Father show me real friends in a me circle. And I'm my real friends and I'm my fake friends anyway. Father God, and I'm my real friends and I'm my fake friends anyway. Father God, and I'm my real friends and I'm my fake friends anyway. Father God, and I'm my real friends and I'm my fake friends. Father God anyway. The way them switch up can't believe me eyes. So me call them off. Me not depend on the game, so me not trust no rats. Them not real, so me not fit trust them. So me not think you're me real friends. So me not think you're me true friends. Father, show me real friends in my life. And I'm my real friends and I'm my fake friends anyway. Father God, and I'm my real friends and I'm my fake friends anyway.
Kelvin, sorry to cut you, eh? It seems good. At least we have a picture. Yeah? We have a picture of your performance, so maybe we may go ahead and you guys. Yeah?
Can you sing a different song?
Yes.
We haven't given somebody a chance to do that, but I want you to sing
Okay.
so that we hear how you sing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Poti moyo wanga udali wonyozeka, pano ndi umodzi mwa iwo wolonzeka. Sizopweka ndingoyamikane, ndimangokweza maso. Poti ana anga nali wonyozeka, pano ndiye modzi mwa iwo wolonzeka. Sizopweka ndingoyamikane, ndimangokweza maso. Asa ugwetse nule silimbikani. Gwadani pasi maondo maso mwambamo. Mutakwana.
Okay, that's fine.
Fine.
Yeah, I wanted to appreciate how you can sing, as in singing.
Okay, thank
Right?
you so much.
Yeah. It's a no from me.
I don't know what to say now, but I was still trying to get Kuti. Where's the singing part? You're good in that genre that you're doing, but I think that I can sing better. It's really gonna be tough to judge or based on the type of singing that is there. Yeah. So for me, it's a polite no again.
Well, Kelvin, you are singing. It's not that you're not singing. You are singing, but in this program, there's a word better at the end. I can sing it better. So meaning that so many people are able to sing, but then we're just looking at some people who can go an extra mile. So we feel like perhaps if you can polish up on the vocal skills and come back next year in a similar program, perhaps you'd go through to the next phase. But for this one, we would say you already have a two no's, so even if I give you a yes, it's not going to change anything. So see you next time, Kelvin.
Thanks so much.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Yeah.
I'm talking about the type of genre.
Bro, okay, you know.
Ngama
Okay.
kali competition yako za this.
That's why when Sarah came on stage and did Kakas, you heard what I said. I said, I wish there was a competition for people like this.
So basically same thing.
And
You know,
Kelvin,
it's
same thing, the rap.
it feels like you're being stereotypical and biased.
tangorozani kuti kodi performance wise ka stage feeling kanali bwanji?
ya stage feeling inali bwino komanso mwina interaction ma judges inali bwino kwambiri.
Nditangorozani kuti zayenda bwanji ino mkatimu?
Of course kulankhula mosabisa sizinaende maybe nitakunena kuti mwina poyamba sitinamvetsese maodi I can sing it better, so it was just a thought kuti mwina any song, so had it been were given a hint kuti this is what we want, mwina I would have done better, because they have said kuti to my part I'm the best, but what they are looking for is the singing part.
I can sing it better.
I love your outfit.
Thank you so much.
Your name?
Sosten Chiganda.
Mwalibwesera nyimbo yanji?
Worship song.
Yanu?
Yanga ya.
Ah, nice.
Sure.
Tena zon, timve.
Chabwino. Ndikutsiwa alipo wina amandikonda nyengo zonse. Ine ndikutsiwa alipo wina amandikonda nyengo zonse. Yesu ni wanga, Yesu wa moyo, ananditsiwa nsana badwe. Yesu wa moyo, amanditsiwa, amanditiwa. Yesu wa moyo, amanditiwa, nyengo zonse.
All right, fine.
Sure.
Nice. BV. All right. Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Nice worship song.
Thank you so much.
And on Mumvera, I'll go straight to say not quite impressed though with the singing. So I'll say no. Sure.
It's a no for me too. Yeah.
Maybe let's try again next year, but for now you have 3 no's.
Okay.
Muli bwanji?
Tili bwino, muli bwanji?
Ifeso tili bwino. Tangorozani kuti kodi mkatimu zayenda bwanji?
Mkatimo sizinaende kwenikweni, komabe tinacho chilimbikitso nena kuti next time I think I will do better.
I can sing it better. I can sing it better.
Hey girl.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm okay. You look good.
Thank you.
What is your name and where are you coming from?
My name is Myra Elias.
Okay.
I'm coming from Airwing. That's where I stay. So, yeah.
Okay. How did you get to know about this audition?
I saw on a bunch of people's statuses, so I was
Okay.
like, okay, I like singing. Let me give this a shot, and yeah.
She's a vibe. All right. What are you doing?
Oh, yes, I'll be singing Made For You by Money Long.
Okay.
Yeah, that's my song.
You ready?
Mhm.
Okay. All the best. The
Thank
floor is
you.
yours.
Thank you. The smell of your perfume, I thought I was immune. Looking around this room, I can't but help see traces of you. This moment is surreal. I can't seem to compare how I feel. You want my twin. Where have you been? Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody gonna love me quite like you. Can't even deny it. Every time I'm trying, one look in my eyes, you know I'm lying, lying. Body to body, skin to skin. I'm never gonna love like this again. You were made for me. Oh, you were made for me. Yes, you were made for me. You were made for me.
Wow. Myra, that was great.
Thank you.
That was great.
Thank you.
I loved your vocal skills, like how you chose that pitch and how you maintained the key, and also the dynamics. The dynamics where you're going high and low. To me, I feel that was good.
Thank you.
So I would love to see you in the next phase. So I'll give you a yes.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
It's a yes.
Thank you.
Hi.
Hello.
I will say yes because I would want to hear you how you'd sing another song.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You can come and grab a rabbit if you eat some.
Once before.
You're getting a gourd rabbit.
Thank you.
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Pebbles.
She came to that part where she was yelling, or quite yelling, right?
Why are you calling it yelling? Because, if you listen to the actual content of the song, it needed the yelling.
I know, but
nobody
loves
I
know.
me.
So you attack the song.
It's an actual day.
Just listen to yourself, the way you've sung it.
It's an act.
Hi. All right. Each time I see a golden rabbit, I know Gudin Kadimu. Guys, things went really, really well. So can you just tell us, how was the experience like inside?
Okay, the pressure was there, but the judges were really nice, and I think it just made it better because the judges seemed friendly, and I think everything went well. I mean, I got the gold. I wasn't expecting this. I was so nervous, but everything went well. Yeah.
All right. So what should we expect from you henceforth?
Since they said they want to see more of me and what I have to offer, I'm going to push. I'm going to be more I'm going to challenge myself, and so I hope people can see what I'm capable of doing. So that's what to expect, that I'm capable of so much more.
All right. Thank you and all the best.
Thank you.
I can sing it better.
Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
Edna,
What are you singing for us?
John Legend.
Which song?
Like I'm gonna lose you.
Okay. All right. The floor is yours.
I found myself dreaming and silver and gold. I could sing from a movie that every broken heart knows. We'll walk in the moonlight and you pull me close. Split second, then you disappear. Then I was all alone. Walk up in tears with you by my side. Burst through the lead, and I realize, no, when I promise tomorrow, so I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you like him saying goodbye. Whenever we're standing, I would take you for granted. You never know it when we run out of time. So I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you like I'm gonna lose you.
I love your voice. There was only a slight place where you almost lost me, because you kind of went off key. I would forgive you for that. I would want to hear that voice again. So I'm going to say yes. However, sing like a musician. I don't know if you understand what I mean. Sing like a singer. You heard the song with you. You felt the song, you owned the song, but your actions didn't show. It's like there were no people listening to your singing. So next time, try your best.
Yeah. Many things you need to work on, but good job. It's a yes for me. I know you're scared, but don't be. Don't be scared. There is more that you can do.
It's another yes for me. I would like to see you in the next phase.
Thanks.
Thank you, Edna.
Thanks.
What color is this? This is Sylvan. This is what? It's God. You know what God means? Okay, you're going to go Google, right? Yeah. So that means excellent.
Thanks.
Yes. It means the three of us are impressed indeed. Bye.
I'm pretty sure your brother must be proud.
Obviously.
Yeah? How did you get to know about I Can Sing It Better?
Through my brother. I actually ananduza sana. Ndabangala apply. And I was like,
Anakubangila apply osakuza.
Wasn't the first and yeah. Ndameza ndibelekeza kwa masana fee. Yeah. My brother will be proud.
Yeah.
Very, very proud.
And what should we expect from you now?
More vibes. I can just say that.
Yeah.
Thanks.
All right. All the best.
Thanks.
I can sing it better.
Brought to you by Zonse Lotto. Everything is possible. Zonse ndi Zodiak. Powered by Hi-Fi Electronics, your home for audio and visual equipment. And Salima Sugar, the sweet pride of Malawi. By Malawi for Malawi.